Alright everybody, so apparently this water seems to be cold. So what I'm going to do is, see, because I'm in my shorts, in my glasses, and my sandals, as you can see, I'm going to lay down in the water in its natural environment. And I'm going to see if it's cold or not. I do not know how I'm going to react, so I asked my nigga, the white guy, to see if he can video this for me. Take a look everybody. Oh, holy shit, that is fucking cold. I mean, that is very cold. Alright, I'm going in. Oh, God. Oh, my ball shriveled up. I hate this. Oh. Oh. Oh, God. As you can see, that was pretty fucking cold. Now I put my head in the water. Oh, that felt really fucking good. That was good, man. Now I have a rock in my sandal. Let's go.